Hey guys, so let's have a look here. What's going on here? So the first trade that we took today, as you guys can see right over here, was coin for a quick profit of about $300. Then we had Microsoft and Tesla. I'll go over these trades, quick scalps that we took. So I am an option scalper, so don't hold for the long run here, okay? So if we just look and see what happened with coin right in the morning, let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Coin was making big moves, a pre-market breaking out of this wedge pattern, and I had resistance at 201. If 201 breaks, my next target is around 215 here to see if coin could take off. Coin was moving due to Bitcoin, so Bitcoin futures were doing really well. So I gave this analysis in our community uh, for members to take part of, which is here, right? So if we look at coin right now, if we look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin broke out of this resistance level right here on the 4-hour time frame, had a gap up, and is still strong right now, and it could continue to run to the upside. So therefore, me taking coin, I had more conviction in my trade, but I also know how this market is, and we have to take quick profits, right? If we don't take quick profits, they can turn into losses. I like to accumulate, small profits over time. So right now we're seeing coin testing a big psychological level at 200. So this is why I took my profit from about $4.42 to about 674 really quick. And if you can see here, the options has gone sideways now, right? So this can continue to move later on in the week, but the 200 was a big psychological level. That's why I took that trade out. All right, so let's look at Microsoft here. If we look at Microsoft, okay, so 5 minute time frame, it's breaking out here. But the biggest thing I was looking at was this level on the 1 hour time frame. This is a big resistance zone. You can see on previous times it went up, tested this level, broke down, went up, broke down again, and this is the third attempt it had on Microsoft had breaking out of this zone, right? So as soon as it got above the 306, I had conviction to enter this trade and to have a quick run up, right? And so which is why we got a 295 profit here. So once again, a quick run up here. Can Microsoft continue to run here? Of course it can, but I'm not too worried about that here. I am focused on protecting my capital and preservation of capital. Okay, so right now I'm not too worried about that. So I'll see what happens with Microsoft later on. But for now, this is what I'm focusing on the short term, on what I can see for today. Okay, what are my profits at for today? All right, so the next profit, so Microsoft can continue to run if we just look at the hourly time frame here. If we wanted to zoom out a little bit more, look at the 4 hours. So Microsoft can continue to run, but my idea is it's gone a little bit vertical for a lot of these stocks, even Coin, Tesla, all these stocks have gone vertical. I would like to see some sort of pullback here, right? So now Tesla, on the other hand, is breaking these downtrend lines here. Okay, nice move on the stock split news. And the other thing is we had nice volume picking up right in the morning, right? So if we look at the Tesla options right in the morning, what happened, right? So we had a nice follow up. We had a consolidation. Price tried to pull back, wasn't able to completely break down, right? We have to pay attention to the volume. There's more green volume, then the selling pressure decreases, then the buying pressure, the follow through, right? You guys can
UN
clearly see here the
Secretary
follow
General
through is
Guterres
very, very
directs
strong on the
UN
volume
aid
on the
chief
upside.
to explore
So
possibility
this
of a
is a really,
humanitarian
really
truce
good
in
indication that
Ukraine.
we can continue to move, right? So this is something that we want to pay attention to. This is why I was able to take Tesla, as you guys can see here, from 595 to about 622. Could I have held it for longer? Yeah, but the only thing I was concerned about, or what I am always watching, is how quickly the move is progressing to the upside. If there's no, like right now, obviously we had an area of consolidation here. Now we have this move. I would like to see a pullback here before I risk more money on Tesla. But overall, not a bad day. A couple $100 in profit. So, it's something to keep an eye on. Today was a good day for me for trading. But if you guys would like to join our community or learn how to use technical analysis and price action for yourself, you guys can check us out on our website at technicaloptiontraders.com. I will post a link below, and you guys can have a look and reach out to me, and we can set something up together. And this is our website. Make sure you guys check it out. Have a great day, guys.